Oh, it's, I think it's October the 16th. It's such a glorious day today. I wanted to show you. So this is the pool. It's far too cold to go swimming though, but it's lovely in the summer. And look at this amazing sky. It's so blue. There's not one chemical trail that I can see. There's a little plane buzzing around, but this is just amazing. It's so beautiful. I am so lucky. This is where I live. This is my home. What a fantastic place to live. What do you think, Punch? What do you think? Amazing. Look at that. You don't get to see that in the UK. Sorry.